Many of our customers, of course, are building or have built bespoke workflows, and it might be a combination of commercial solutions. It might be open source, but what we have found, and especially with the implementation of Whisper to do closed captioning of your live streams, your live channels, is that more and more people are saying, hey, bring us a friendly user interface. Command line is suitable in some situations, not in all. So we actually at NAB just, you might say, soft launched, debuted. In fact, it's really what even makes Whisper work today, a software solution, an application that we call BitStreams Edge. And BitStreams Edge is a transcoding or a media processing framework that today is effectively an overlay on FFmpeg. Just gives a very friendly way to interact with FFmpeg without having to use the command line. And this is an application that is going to continue to be developed and grow and expand. So I'm not going to talk too much about it today, but it is the very first introduction of BitStreams Edge outside of NAB, and just some very quick kind of high level bullets as to what it can do and what it is capable of and will be capable of. Again, we're going to be developing this and building it out over time. So first of all, think of it as a code-free UI for FFmpeg. We have built in a very robust alerting system, monitoring dashboard. So one of the challenges with hardware, of course, is now it brings in a monitoring component. So you need to look at what are the temperatures of the VPUs. There's other control elements that are required that may or may not be required if you're just running software, just on a standard CPU. So it has a lot of reporting and logging built into it. There's a very nice, very easy to use templatized overlay, so that if you're building sophisticated transcoding workflows that need to change, then you can very easily switch between those, just by selecting the template. And again, because of the power of the ASIC, and because you can create a channel, you could create a ladder, which is literally AV1 at the top. Maybe you have a 4K stream that's AV1. Maybe you have a couple 1080p's that are HEVC. You've got a 720p that's HEVC, and let's say 480p and below is all H.264. That is no problem. That's super easy to do in the hardware. We support all of the common inputs for live streaming, SRT, RTMP, and the output formats are HLS and Dash. And of course, this is built, for live. It supports multicast input, multicast output,